Good job. There's one, too. Come here. You took 2 steps. Take some more. You know how to do it. You just did it. Come here. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job, buddy.
Good job.
There you go.
Come on. Do it again.
Come on.
Do it again.
Come on.
Go get it. Go get it. Do it again. There you go. 1, 2. You can do it.
See yourself succeed and explore.snu.edu.
1, 2. There you go. Good job. Are you proud of yourself? Oh. 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 Oh, that was a good one. Smile. You don't need that. You don't need that. You don't need. Smile the puppies. Jace. Hi. Did you take a picture?
If you have chickenpox, the
Can
shingles
you?
virus is already
That's a good picture.
1 in 3 people will get shingles in their lifetime.
I wouldn't wish it.
Talk to your healthcare.
Oh, look at this. This is your favorite, Jace. That's your favorite. That's your favorite. You want that one.
So it automatically organizes your important documents quickly and easily right on your computer. Now that shoebox
This is your favorite. Oh, I got this too. Over here. It's all over here.
medical records, taxes, you name it. And any piece of paper becomes searchable with a single keyword.
Hi. Oh, you're so funny. Are you being a ham for the camera? Oh. That's fake.
You're 9 months old today.
9 months.
Yeah.
Oh.
So crawl over here.